Hello my dear students, welcome back to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. We are doing simple and compound interest of unit 8, comparing quantities of your NCERT book. Today we are going to do question number 11 and 12. So watch the video very carefully to understand the concept, and in 12th question you will get a new concept also. So let's do question number 11. Now, in question number 11, dear students, let us read. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Dear students, now the rate of interest is per hour because the bacteria increases very rapidly. So we can't wait for a day or one whole year. So that's why they have given us the rate of interest in hours. So per hour, find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. 2 hours में कितना हो जाएगा? If the count was initially, the word initially means starting में कितना है? 5,06,000. Means we in the very beginning of 2 hours, the bacteria is 5,06,000 and we need to calculate it after 2 hours at the rate of 2.5% per hour. So dear students, bacteria initially is 5,06,000. This will be taken as principal because the initial value जो starting में होती है वो principal होता है. It is increasing 2.5 per hour, तो हमारा time जो है hours में होना चाहिए. Like earlier 2.5% per year दिया होता था, तो हम time years में लेते थे. Now hour is given to us, we'll put the value in hours. Time is 2 hours, so let us substitute the values and get the answer. 5,06,000 into 1 plus 2.5 by 100 raised to 2 hours. If it is hours, then it is hours. That means no need to convert anything. So now to remove this decimal, let me take a 0 here, and 25 ones are 25, 25 4s are 100 and a 0, right? Now let us take the LCM. So 5,06,000 will be written as it is by LCM 40, 40 ones are 40 plus 1 by 40 whole square. So 5,06,000 41 by 40 square. So 5,06,000 and this will be multiplied for 2 times because square is there, right? So by solving it, we'll get the bacteria after 2 hours, and that will be equal to 5,31,616.25. But bacteria is again can't be in points. Bacteria ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकता कि 1.5 bacteria या 1.25. So we have to round off. But as you know that if after the decimal, if the digit is less than 5, the number will remains as it is. So by round off, we'll get the bacteria is 5,31,616. So in this way, you can solve this question. So I hope the question is clear too. Nothing is different. The difference is only that the rate and time both are in hours. That doesn't make any difference because if the rate is in hours, then we will take the time is also in hours. So now let's do question number 12. And also we write the answer that bacteria after 2 hours will be 5,31,616. So you can see so much rapidly it is increasing. 1 घंटे में 6,000 से 31,000 की रेंज में आ गया है वो. 6,000 to 31,000, approximately 25,000 has been increased. So you can see कि कितनी faster bacteria grow करता है. Now let's do the next question. So question number 12. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated. Now underline this word depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Now what does it mean? So you all know beta that आप अगर एक स्कूटर ख़रीद के ला रहे हैं 42,000 का, लेकिन आप एक साल बाद अगर उसे वापस रीसेल करोगे, वापस बेचोगे, क्या वो ज़्यादा का बिकता है या कम का? या उसकी वैल्यू डिक्रीज़ हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो उसके बाद सेकेंड हैंड कहलाता है, तो वैल्यू डिक्रीज़ होती है. डिक्रीज़ के लिए वर्ड होता है डेप्रिशिएटेड. फाइंड द वैल्यू आफ्टर 1 year. द क्वेश्चन इज़ एग्जैक्टली सेम exactly same as we have done earlier, but now the difference is यहाँ वैल्यू इंक्रीज़ नहीं हो रही है, डिक्रीज़, because after 1 year the scooter will become second hand. So dear students, in this principle will be as it is 42,000 जितने का खरीद के लाए हैं स्कूटर, its value is depreciated by 8% per annum, same time is 1 year, but value is depreciated means decreases because the scooter has become second hand. स्कूटर कैसा बन चुका है? सेकेंड हैंड स्कूटर है, तो ऑब्वियसली उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? कम हो जाएगी. अब अगर बेटा डेप्रिशिएट होती है कोई वैल्यू, तो वो पूछ रहे हैं कि वो वैल्यू एक साल के बाद कितनी होगी अगर इस रेट से वो डिक्रीज़ हो. तो फॉर दिस हमारा फॉर्मूला जो अमाउंट वाला है वो कैसे लिखा जाता है? इंक्रीज़ के लिए हम वर्ड साइन यूज़ करते हैं प्लस, तो डेप्रिशिएटेड या डिक्रीज़ के लिए क्या साइन यूज़ करेंगे? माइनस. तो हमारा फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा P/1. प्लस लेते थे बट यहाँ इंक्रीज़ नहीं हो रही है, डेप्रिशिएट हो रही है, सो विल टेक माइनस. P/1 माइनस R/100 raised per t. So this is the difference. Okay, to increase the things हम प्लस लेते हैं बट नाउ द वैल्यू इज डेप्रिशिएटिंग, सो माइनस आ जाएगा. सो लेट अस नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. दिस इज द डिफरेंस, दिस इज द पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड कि जब भी डेप्रिशिएट हो, डिक्रीज हो, तो माइनस आएगा. सो इन द बिगनिंग द कॉस्ट ऑफ स्कूटर वॉज दैट मच into 1 minus decreasing at the rate of 8% per annum, and we need to find out the cost after 1 year, so we'll take 1, right? So let us solve it as usual we do. So we can cancel it out by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 25. Take the LCM. 25 ones are 25 minus 2 by 25 raised to power 1, so 42,000. 25 minus 2 becomes 23 by 25. So 1 power is there, we'll multiply it by 1. So after 1 year, the value of the scooter becomes, just calculate it, let us calculate and get the answer. So by calculating it, we'll get the depreciated value as rupees 38,640. तो ऑब्वियसली ख़रीद के इतना लाए थे, लेकिन जब हम सेकेंड हैंड बेचते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है. So therefore the value of scooter depreciated to rupees 38,640. और कितनी डेप्रिशिएट हुई है अगर वो निकालना हो तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. विल गेट दैट ऑल्सो. So dear students, now I hope the whole exercise is clear to you. Depreciated, just keep this thing in your mind. Be careful, if the value gets decreases, take negative sign. So that completes your unit 8. Practice the questions again and again. Try the examples also to make the concepts more clear to you. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. And if you like my videos, share, comment, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.